Hello, welcome to Driving School Tutorial. My name is Frank. Let us answer these questions together. Number one question says, lo spessore minimo del battistrada degli pneumatici di un autoveicolo deve essere di 1,6 mm. È vero. The tread space of the vehicle tires need to be minimum of 1.6 millimeters. So anything less than that, it means that that vehicle, the tire of that vehicle need to be changed. And don't forget that of a motorcycle is 1 millimeter. So this one is vero. Number two said, non tutti I veicoli a motore a due ruote vengono classificati ciclomotori. It is true, it is not all vehicles that have two legs is classified to be mobbed or ciclomotori as they call it, which is true. Don't forget, motociclo is not ciclomotori. Motociclo have two legs, and the bicycle is not ciclomotori. Bicycle have two legs. So the answer is vero. Number three says, il casco deve essere completamente allacciato solo sui percorsi extraurbani. No, it is not true that a helmet, you only need to wear your helmet only if you are traveling outside inhabited area. A helmet, you need to wear your helmet anytime you want to, circulate or you want to move with your motorcycle. So the answer is falso. Number four said, nel caso di ingombro della carreggiata per caduta accidentale de carico, il conducente deve presegnalare l'ostacolo mediante il segnale di stop. That is, in the case of maybe accidentally a load fall out from your vehicle, in the middle of the carriageway, so you need to signal this load with a stop sign. No, it is not true. If something like that happens, you need to signal that load with a triangle sign. So it is not a stop sign. You signal it with triangolo mobile di pericolo, which is the triangle sign. So it is not a stop sign. The answer is falso. Number five said, il segnale raffigurato preavvisa un incrocio per I poligone di tiro a segno. No, it is not true. This is a sign, an indication sign placed inside the city, inside the city or inside the inhabited area to indicate to you, to tell you that if you are going to Milano, go straight. If you are going to Centro or the city center, go right. The answer is falso. So number six says, il segnale raffigurato indica lavoro in corso. No, this sign is indicating to you that in the first case, this is a sign placed in autostrada and it's indicating to you that, the first lane is about to close. So you need to move from the first lane to the second lane. So it is not true that it is because of men at work. So the answer is falso. Number seven said, chi guida un veicolo anche se ad elevate prestazioni deve tenersi il più vicino possibile a margine destro della carreggiata quando effettua una svolta a destra. That is, anybody that is driving vehicle, even of high class or whatsoever, must stay close to the right side of the road whenever this person is turning right. The answer is vero. If you are turning right, you are supposed to stay, close to the right margin, not by staying, to the left margin and turning to the right. So that would be a wrong way of driving. So the answer is vero. Number 8 says, il segnale raffigurato indica che gli autocarri che superano 3,5 tonnellate possono circolare solo sulla corsia di sinistra. No, it is not true, because this sign is indicating that all those vehicles, those heavy-duty vehicles that is more than 3.5 tons, they are prohibited to circulate on the left lane. Therefore, they are obliged to only circulate in the right lane. So the answer is falso. It's not telling them to circulate in the left lane. Possono circolare solo la corsia di sinistra. No. So it is not telling them they can only circulate on the left lane. Rather, it's prohibiting them from circulating in that left lane. The answer is falso. Number 9 says, il segnale raffigurato vieta il transito ai quadricicli a pedali. So this is a sign that prohibits, all those velocipedi. You understand? All those velocipedi. Any vehicle that is under the classification of velocipedi, it means that in the presence of this sign, they cannot circulate there. So this place now is telling us that this sign prohibits the transit of quadricycles with pedal. It is true, because if quadricycle is with pedal, it means that this quadricycle is under the category of velocipedi. So therefore, it prohibits them. Il segnale raffigurato vieta il transito ai quadricicli a pedali. The answer is vero. Then this one said, il segnale raffigurato si riferisce a soli motocicli di cilindrata superiore a 125 centimetri cubi. No, it is not true. It is referring to all the motorcycles, and it's not only the one of 125 cubic centimeters. The answer is falso. While number 11 said, la targa posteriore di un autoveicolo deve essere illuminata con una luce bianca. Yes, it's true. The plate number of vehicle need to be, brightened by, a white light, especially the back one. The answer is vero. Number 12 says, la striscia bianca laterale discontinua, la striscia bianca laterale discontinua segnala l'inizio di una banchina. No, it is not true, because striscia bianca laterale, it can be a boundary between the carriageway and the entrance of a garage or a compound, which is they call it a passo carabile. And it can also be a boundary between the carriageway and piazzola di sosta. It can also be the boundary between the carriageway and acceleration or deceleration lane. So the answer is falso. It's not like they said, la striscia bianca laterale discontinua segnala l'inizio di una banchina. It's not signifying the beginning of of a lay-by. The answer is falso. Number 13 said, la fermata è vietato in prossimità di la fermata è vietato in prossimità e in corrispondenza di segnali semaforici in modo da occultarne la vista. That is, stopping is prohibited next to next or in correspondence to intersection in order to, or in a way to obstruct the view of the traffic. It is true, because if you're stopping or you're parking will obstruct the view of road sign, of traffic light, all those things, then that parking is prohibited. The answer is vero. Which means that, take note, which means that if you are parking or you are stopping, you must make sure that your parking or your stopping is not done in a way that you obstruct the view of road sign. That is what you need to understand with this question. The answer is vero. Number 4, is it 14? Yes, number 14 said, il segnale raffigurato indica il limite minimo di velocità che si consiglia di non superare. No, this sign is talking about the name of this autostrada. This is autostrada A25. It's referring to the name of the autostrada. It's not referring to the speed limit that you need to drive. The answer is falso. Number 15 said, nell'incrocio rappresentato in figura, il veicolo D deve dare la precedenza al veicolo H, which is in the intersection represented here. Vehicle D need to give right of way. Il veicolo D deve dare la precedenza al veicolo H. So that is, vehicle D need to give right of way to vehicle H. And then, yes, it is true. Vehicle D need to give a right of way to vehicle H. But please do me a favor, guys. Leave your comment at the comment section the order of passage in this intersection. Please, that is your assignment in this video. The answer is vero. Vehicle D need to give right of way to vehicle H, but you tell me the order of passage in this intersection. Vero. Number 16 said, il segnale raffigurato è posto dove in caso di pioggia la strada si può allagare. No, it is not true. This sign is indication sign that indicate a river. In this case, is indicating River Arno, which is Fiume Arno. So it is not indicating a stretch of road where you possibly have what is it called flood during rainfall. So the answer is falso. The answer is falso. Number 17 said, il conducente di un motociclo può fare lo slalom tra I veicoli fermi al semaforo. It is not true that the drivers of motorcycles can, move left and right, a kind of meander around vehicles in traffic. No, it is not true. The answer is falso. Don't forget, there is no way you are encouraged to drive zigzag. In any condition, you are not encouraged to drive zigzag. So the answer is falso. Number 18 said, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario rallentare per poter eventualmente arrestare il veicolo prima dell'attraversamento ferroviario. It is true. This sign is telling you that in 150 meters time, there is a possible encounter with, an industrial train. So it means that you need to pay attention, moderate your velocity so that you can be able to slow down before engaging that, ray crossing. You slow down. If there is need for you to stop, you stop. Don't forget that if you don't slow down, you will not be able to stop before crossing that road. So the answer is vero. In presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario rallentare per poter eventualmente arrestare il veicolo prima dell'attraversamento ferroviario. È vero. Il segnale raffigurato obbliga a dare la precedenza ai filobus. It's not telling you, it's not obliging you to give priority to filobus. Rather, it's telling you that in 150 meters time, there is a possible encounter with all those tram, and all those things. So the answer is falso. Then number 20 said, sulla carreggiata, sulle rampe e sugli svincoli di autostrada e strada extraurbana principale, il conducente può procedere in senso contrario al normale flusso del traffico per brevi tratti, which is in autostrada, on the carriageway in a ramp and also in an exit of autostrada, that of autostrada and also strada extraurbana principale, that you are allowed to move the opposite direction, which is one way, for a very short period of time. No, that is one of the highest offense that you can do. So the answer is falso. It is not allowed for you to move in the opposite direction in any of those roads. The answer is falso. Number 21 said, il pannello con 3 barre rosse A è posto sotto il segnale B. Yes, it is true. Don't forget, in this panel A, we are having 3 panels. One is stroke with 1 stripe, the other one is stroke with 2 stripes, while the other one is stroke with 3 stripes. And they are referring to the one that is stroke with 3 stripes, which indicate that in 150 meters time, there is a train track. And don't forget, this other sign B is a danger warning sign, which is always placed 150 meters before, and that the 3 stripe sign A is placed under it to tell you that it's called pannello distanziometrico, or a panelli distanziometrici. So it's placed under this sign to tell you that in 150 meters time, then there is a train track. So after the one with 3 stripe, you see the one with 2 stripe. After the one with 2 stripe, then you see the one with 1 stripe. So is they are 50 meters from each other. So from this one with 3 stripes to the train track is 150 meters. So the answer is Vero. This one with 3 stripes can be placed under this the B sign, because don't forget the B sign is placed 150 meters before the sign. The answer is Vero. Number 22 said, è opportuno per il conducente che accusa segni di stanchezza avvicinarsi il più possibile al veicolo che lo procede nella marcia. No, it is not true, because if a conducente che accusa segni di stanchezza is, it can easily slip off, you understand? So don't forget, it is advisable when you are, feeling dizzy while driving, it is advisable for you to park and sleep, you understand? The answer is fast. So number 23, it said, nell'intersezione nell'intersezione di figura il veicolo A può transitare prima del veicolo R ma dopo il veicolo N. Veicolo A prima del veicolo R dopo veicolo N, which means it's going to be N is going to be the first, then N, A, arrow. The answer is Vero. Please, I cannot be able to explain this sign, but if you want to understand it better, any of these explanations, please join our Zoom tutorial where we explain things in details. Thank you. So, number 24, it said, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è consentito effettuare la fermata in corrispondenza delle curve. No, falso. In the presence of this sign, you are not allowed to park next to a corner. The answer is falso. This is a dangerous place. The answer is falso. Number 25 said, l'attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata vietata al transito del veicolo. No, attraversamento pedonale is not a place prohibited for the transit of vehicles. Rather, it's a place where pedestrians have priority over vehicles. The answer is falso. Il segnale raffigurato si può trovare prima di un ponte. Yes, this sign, you can find this sign before a bridge, which tells you that it is prohibited for those vehicles that is more than 7 tons to, transit in that particular stretch of road or in that bridge. The answer is Vero. Number 27 said, il segnale raffigurato è posto in corrispondenza della fine di un percorso per gli animali da soma. Yes, this sign is placed at the end of all those paths reserved for all those horses and, all those horses. The answer is Vero. Then number 28 says, il pannello integrativo in figura può essere abbinato ad un segnale di divieto. Yes, this sign here can be combined with a prohibition sign. If it's combined with a prohibition sign, it means that autobus is excluded. So the answer is Vero. Number 29 said, con la patente di categoria A1 si possono condurre i tricicli a motore di potenza non superiore a 15 kilowatt. Yes, it is true. With this Patente A1, you can, drive all those 3 cycles, that their engine capacity is not more than 15 kilowatt. The answer is Vero. While this number 30 said, dovendo attraversare l'incrocio rappresentato in figura, i veicoli devono transitare nel seguente ordine ECALR, which is falso. The answer is falso. Please, at the comment section, comment the order of passage in this intersection. Comment it on the comment section. So these are the response to this question. Please, I just answer them in a hurry because I need to quickly round up because of time. So these are the response to the question. Please, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, share it, and if you want a profound explanation, because I'm just doing it in a hurry. If you want a profound explanation, please, don't forget you can join our Zoom classes where we explain things in details. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.